Hello, I'm Thinev. Today we're talking about an uncommon seabird. The Heuglin's gull. The Heuglin's gull or the Siberian gull is a seabird. It is sometimes considered as a separate species but is now usually treated as a subspecies of the lesser black-backed gull. Heuglin gulls breed in the tundra of northern Russia from the Kola Peninsula east to the Taymyr Peninsula. They are regularly reported from Finland and may breed there. They migrate south to winter in Southwest Asia, the Indian Subcontinent, East Asia and East Africa. The back and wings are dark grey, variable in shade but often similar to the graelsii race of the slightly smaller, lesser black-backed gull. In winter, the head is only lightly streaked with brown but there is heavier streaking on the hind neck. The legs are usually yellow but can be pink. They feed mainly on molluscs, worms and crustaceans. Their calls are like locally named Heuglin Galuviya. I have not seen a Heuglin's gull. You are more likely to see them in the northern coast of Sri Lanka. In Colombo, there is a newly built man-made island called Port City. Very soon, this is likely to be the busiest business district in Colombo. For now, there are adventure sports that you can do here.